On behalf of the American Red Cross of Orange County, I am thrilled to present the First Responder Hero Award to a team of individuals bringing help and hope to those in long-term care facilities during the pandemic. Here's their story.
We were fighting a war. There's no question about it. We were fighting a war.
During the first terrifying weeks of the pandemic, infectious disease specialist Helene Calvet knew the virus would target the most fragile citizens in Orange County, those who live in nursing homes and long-term care facilities.
Just the suffering they went through of being isolated, not being able to see their families, and the ones that were dying alone. I mean, just anything I feel like I could do to make that a little bit better was very, very important.
Dr. Calvet came out of retirement to lead the Orange County Health Department's emergency efforts to control the spread of the deadly virus.
So it's very important to step in right away and help stop that spread.
Very quickly, the number of outbreaks outstripped the capacity of the epidemiology program.
Dr. Calvet quickly assembled and trained an army of healthcare workers.
The team was formed by nurses who came from other programs, really didn't have any experience in disease control or epidemiology.
So I literally was pulled from my assignment and asked to step in and help with Dr. Calvet's need in the long-term care facilities.
The long-term care facility COVID-19 response team made regular visits to every single nursing home and long-term care facility for the duration of the outbreak.
One of the most important things is to really isolate the patients well. So we created COVID units.
She guides us as far as where to look and where potentially the virus may spread relative to where it started. So those are the kinds of things that she really dives in and looks at numbers.
She's just this fountain of knowledge. She just took our team, understood that we all didn't come from epidemiology. We don't have that background of infection control, and she was just there for us.
And when the vaccine became available, Dr. Calvet coordinated with her team to provide vaccinations for residents in care homes.
A lot of residents have been negative because of her constant dedication to keep us safe, to keep us strong, and to give us the necessary things for us to keep going in this pandemic.
I think without our assistant, the outbreaks would have been a lot worse.
Since March 2020, Dr. Calvet has not taken a single day off, often working around the clock to protect those most at risk.
I thought there was a good chance I would get COVID.
Dr. Calvet's relentless dedication, knowledge, and bravery makes her and her team real heroes.
Dr. Calvet is absolutely a real hero. Without her in this response to the pandemic, in this very, very vulnerable population, the outcomes would have been much different.
I think putting herself on the line in that respect is really what makes her a hero.
If we have people like her, our country and our world would be more safe, will be more compassionate, will be more caring, and our world will be a better place.
On behalf of everyone at the American Red Cross, we thank you for your heroic work during the COVID-19 pandemic. Your story proves that there's no shortage of compassion when it's needed most. We are so proud to present you with the First Responder Hero Award. Congratulations.
Thank you, Steve. And on behalf of the long-term care facility team, I'd like to thank the American Red Cross for recognizing us in public health as first responders. I'd like to thank God for protection during the pandemic and thank our families for keeping things together at home while we worked very long hours.
This has truly been a once-in-a-career opportunity for our group of infection preventionists, public health staff, and infectious disease physicians, and we're proud to be a part of it and be able to truly make a difference.
We'd like to dedicate this award to the true heroes here, the long-term care facility staff who stayed on the job through very tough times. Thank you very much.